guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Today I'm going to share how I converted my kids' plain shoes into this galaxy shoes. So let's get started. And this is how our galaxy shoes looks like. I think they turned out so pretty and were so easy to make. And the best part was Farin loved it too. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you do, and please comment down below your thoughts, queries or requests in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes, crafts, and family life and much more fun. Bye.